Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Shopify store domain with Google Search Console, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. Sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button. On the next screen, click on the Add Property button. Select the domain option from the menu. Enter your Shopify store's domain name without the www prefix. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, Google will provide you with a TXT record that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Log in to your Shopify account. In the Shopify admin panel, go to the Online Store section. Click on the domain's link to access your domain settings. Locate the domain you wish to verify and click on the Manage button next to it. Scroll down to find the DNS settings section. Click on the Edit button to modify the DNS records. In the DNS settings, add a new TXT record. In the name field, enter the @ symbol. In the value field, paste the TXT record provided by Google Search Console. Set the TTL to the default value or leave it blank. Save the changes to your DNS settings. Return to Google Search Console and click on the Verify button. Wait for Google to verify your domain ownership. If verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Your Shopify store domain is now verified with Google Search Console. Explore the Search Console features to monitor your website's performance and optimize accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.